Yeah, yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm a chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some drumsticks right here, white rice, our seasoning right there, paprika, oregano, Tony's, no salt, and chicken bouillon. We using tomato chicken bouillon. We also have our tomato base, garlic. We're about to make a nice little family dinner. And don't forget, hit that like button. Thumbs up, hit that like button for your boy. Okay, so here go our seasoning right here. We have a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, a tablespoon and a half of Tony's, no salt, a tablespoon of garlic powder, 2.5 tablespoons of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of oregano. Here go our chicken. Everything nice and pat down. Now let's go ahead and just season it up. Let's mix everything together. Okay, so we have 2.5 cups of white rice. Yes, that's how you want your water to look, just like that. So what I do, I let my rice soak for about an hour, then I give it a nice rinse. So this was we cooking in right here. Everything is going in the oven together. Okay, so we have our rice in. Now we're gonna add 5 cups of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so we have 5 cups of water. Add our little bell peppers in there with them. Okay, we have our chicken bouillon, tomato. Go ahead and break it up. So I want seasoned rice. We'll add 1 more. So we have 2 chicken bouillons, tomato. Okay, so I'm preheating my oven to 375. We'll add our chicken. So that rice is gonna come out fire. It's gonna be seasoned. And everything gonna cook together. Okay, so we have a half a stick of salted butter. If it cover it up, and it's going in the oven on 375. So that's how we looking. We ain't gonna poke no holes in there. So we're going right in the oven. Okay, so that's 1 hour, 20 minutes. Now we'll give it another 25 minutes with aluminum foil off. Okay, so here we go right here. We have our seasoned rice with the baked chicken. That fell off the bone. Did my thing right here in this good kitchen. Made it happen. Yup, look at that. Fire. I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. A nice put together for me and the family. And I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. Hit dice.